Hey, this is Voices for Learning, where we help you grow as a voice actor. My name is Susan. Thanks so much for being here. In this video, I am so excited to talk to you about this new endeavor that I've been pursuing and actually doing really well in. And that is hosting webinars or being like a moderator for Zoom calls. Since, nobody can really do like lunch and learns anymore, and the whole sales process has changed for so many people. They're doing these Zoom calls, and what they need is somebody like me who can, just kind of like keep it going, present, help people who have issues with like the chat or any handouts or anything. Somebody who is there to just assist, and that is me. They hire me to do that. So what I do on these Zoom calls is I introduce the host, I introduce the panelists, I give out any kind of like housekeeping tips, I make sure that everyone has their handouts, if there are any handouts. If they can't get their handouts, then I just, go through email and email them their handouts. I am there to just make sure that everything runs smoothly. I'm in charge of like running any kind of polls that they do, which is pretty rare, but sometimes it happens. And in charge of the question and answer session, and kind of just being that go-between, kind of like the radio, like a radio show. I'm just there to screen the questions and make sure that they make sense so that our panelists can answer. So it's a great thing to do if you are a voice actor. You already have the equipment anyway. You already have a quiet space. You already have a pleasant voice and a nice personality. And all you really have to do is just kind of like do your hair, put on some makeup, put on a nice shirt, and there it is. With Zoom moderating and the web hosting, I have met so many people. It has opened so many doors for me because I am able to talk and say, yeah, I'm a voice actor. I do internet ads. I do, tutorials. I do online learning. And they're able to hear my voice. They're able to meet me, know my personality, and I'm getting jobs because I am kind of like networking in a networking situation. So I wanted to just throw that out to you that, as a voice actor, it's not just like reading scripts. There are other areas that we can do, and this is just another skill set that you can have, another endeavor that you can pursue. And if you're interested, you can look on my Fiverr gig. I've got that in the description for my Zoom moderator Fiverr gig, and it's like pretty puny compared to like what I do else on Fiverr, but that's where I've gotten a lot of my work, on Fiverr and Upwork, and then word of mouth also for the Zoom moderation jobs. But something to consider: Zoom is here to stay. Webinars are here to stay. Web hosting is here to stay. And they're going to need people like us who, enjoy meeting other people. We're not shy. We can talk. We're happy to socialize, and we're happy to, be there and help and be helpful to somebody who is, just trying to get more clients like we are. So that is my spiel. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, be sure and check out my Fiverr gig. That's in the description. And if you have any questions for me, I would love to answer any questions for you, like any things that I sort of like had issues with in the beginning with any kind of Zoom moderation, anything I was scared of, and how I kind of like overcame that. But that's it. I hope you take advantage of this. Right now is the time. It's this new kind of like piece of the pie that is ripe, and not many people are doing it. So get yourself out there. Web hosting, Zoom moderator. So have a great day. Like, subscribe. Thank you so much. And I will see you next time. Bye.